Are you spending hours qualifying leads manually, just to find out many of them aren't even worth your time? What if I told you that you could automate the entire qualification process using AI, instantly scoring leads and notifying your team the moment a hot one comes in? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a completely automated lead qualification system using n8n and OpenAI, ChatGPT, integrated with Google Sheets and email. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working automation that reads a new lead, gets it scored and analyzed by AI, and instantly notifies your sales team. Let's first understand the flow we're about to build. A new lead is added to Google Sheets, n8n picks it up automatically, sends lead details to OpenAI. OpenAI scores it from 0 to 100 and gives a brief analysis. n8n then updates the same row in Google Sheets with the AI response. And finally, we send an email notification to the business owner or sales team. Alright, let's dive into the actual build. First, we add a Google Sheets node. This will act as the trigger whenever a new lead is added. I've already created a spreadsheet with columns like name, company, role, company size, and interest. For simplicity, we'll use the read rows operation with a filter like processed @no, so we only fetch new leads. Here comes the magic. Add an OpenAI node and configure it to use the GPT-4o mini model. We'll pass in the lead details and use a structured prompt to get a score, priority, and justification summary. Analyze the following lead and give a score, priority, and brief justification. Next, we update the original row in the spreadsheet with the score and analysis summary. Finally, we notify the company owner or sales team via email. We'll use an email node and pass in the qualified lead info to generate a personalized message. You could also replace this with Slack, MS Teams, or even WhatsApp Business API. Let's run the whole thing now. I'll add a new lead to Google Sheets, and you'll see how n8n automatically qualifies the lead, updates the data, and sends the email. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you've built an intelligent lead qualification system using AI and automation. If you found this useful, please hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to automate next.